Yes, there are low pressure areas surrounding the Philippines, which is good because they will drive away pollution. Bad for commuters because it will be flooded and they won't have a ride. They have to swim across like Tintin and Julius, who were late for 40 minutes because there were floods. I thank you.
Galing, galing, galing. Invite them in your British accent sa concert nyo ni Tife.
Hello, this is Mitch Valdez. I am performing in a concert with Fede Los Reyes. She was a comedian and a singer here, but she went to the US of A for a very long time. And so now she's decided to make a comeback. And so we're doing Mitch and Fe, Sex and the Seniors. If the seniors are still having sex, then this is the show. If you're not having sex any longer, this is the show for you also, so we can show you how to have sex.
On the date, and the
The day
place.
is July 26. Teatrino, you have to close your mouth and pucker your lips when you're talking with an English accent. Teatrino, you have to learn that because Filipinos talk with their mouth open. Teatrino. Oh, yeah. So, Teatrino, July 26.
How to get
They
tickets?
will show you the poster with a number to call for tickets. There will be some seats and tickets available at Teatrino. Be there, please. Please. Mahirap sa pangayon, ha?
Parang sumakit din pang ako sa katatawa.
Hindi, mahirap.
Galing,
yung
galing,
ano,
galing, Mitch.
Yung pag hindi mo dialect, no?
So we expect something like this in the show.
In the show, yes.
And
Yes.
so we look forward to
Yes,
it.
thank you.
Hello there, teammates! Welcome to my channel, Christine Babos channel. For my hindi pala old, yung mga dati ng subscribers, hello, welcome back. For the first timers, thank you for visiting my channel. And don't forget to, eto na Mitch, subscribe! Subscribe! Yeah!
Natututo na rin ako, ha?
Ting! Thank you so much po sa paglipat nyo mula sa napakagandang interview ni Papu kay the great, the icon, Mitch. Hindi ko sinabing Maya. Mitch Valdez.
The icon means you are old.
And you have a body of work to be proud
Oh,
of. Yun,
diba?
body of work. Pero this time, sa aking vlog, alam nyo na, bag raid tayo.
Yay!
You know, Mitch, dito sa aking channel, yan yung gusto ng mga viewers ko naman. Maki-marites. Kung ano bang laman ng bag ni ganyan, ni ganyan, ni ganyan.
Okay.
Kasi nga, it's not just a bag. If you look at it, a bag tells so much about
The person.
the person,
Yes.
where she is, her life, and all.
Yes,
So,
yes.
eto na po ang bag ni Mitch, ni Ma'am Mitch. Hindi na Ma'am, Mitch na lang, okay
Oo,
lang, Mitch Valdez.
oo.
Yes.
Yan, sa kalakihan kong tao, ang bag ko ay napakaliit. Because I refuse to put shoulder bag dahil masakit.
Oh, do you have a problem sa
Because
frozen shoulders?
I am endowed.
Oh.
So my shoulders hurt.
Oh.
Oo,
But was it
ganun daw
ever,
yun.
parang diagnosed na meron ka
No,
frozen
no,
shoulder?
no,
Wala
no,
namang
no,
ganon.
No. I
Oo.
still work out.
So, handbag.
Ito po ang handbag ko. Banig plastic.
Cute.
Dahil po gusto ko, ina-alcohol na lang yan kung gusto mong linisin.
Tama.
Kasi ayoko
Pinapalalaban.
na yung mga expensive bags
Yeah.
na bigla kang napaparaning, ay, wag mapatakan ng toyo. Yan, yung mga
Yeah,
gano'n.
yeah,
Nagtataka ako doon sa mga gano'n.
Oo.
So, ito po ang bag ko.
Anong history ng bag na to na napaka-cute? Did
Nagsha-shopping
someone give it
lang
to you?
ako.
Oh, yeah,
Nagsha-shopping lang ako sa
okay.
mall. Di ba usually sa mall, may mga, sa weekends may tiyangge.
Yes.
Yan,
I
doon
love
sa
Changi.
labi, yung gano'n. And so nakita ko itong isang buong ng bag na ganito. Ito, ibang klase kasi yung kulay.
Favorite colors mo ba to?
Hindi
Mitch?
naman, but
Naman.
it is just so attractive. I
Yeah.
like subdued
Green, pink, yellow.
colors. Yes. I don't like wild colors.
Kahit wild ka. Charot lang!
Ay! Conservative po ako.
Sex and the Senior.
Sex and the Seniors kung meron pa. Excuse me.
Ganun eh.
Kayo, hindi pa.
Then, so, how much did you buy it for sa Changi?
250 pesos.
O, di ba? May tawad pa yon.
Hindi ako tumatawag.
Hindi na, yun na yun. Kasi di ba pag Changi, ang saya tumawad. Kahit
hindi.
nakabenteng tawad ka lang.
Oo, naaawa ako eh.
Pag mura na, hindi
Oo,
na.
ang mura-mura na tatawad.
Sweldo na yun ng sales girl.
Pampa-school na yun.
Diba?
eh.
Yeah.
Oo.
So ito ba ay, di ba maraming ganitong banig na magaganda? Bicol, gawang
Oo,
Bicol,
pero
gawang
plastic
region.
to, ha?
Dahil plastic siya, hindi yan
Oo,
Bicol,
hindi
no?
Bicol to.
Yeah. So
Ayan.
yun, i-read na natin.
Ganun
Pero
ba
bati
yan?
ka muna sa teammates natin.
Hello,
Ito nakabati.
teammates!
Teen, parang classmates. Teammates.
Teammates.
Teammates. Kasi
Teen.
tintin ako eh.
Teammates! Ang tanda, hindi na makarinig.
The Mitch Valdez.
Yes.
Yan na.
Hello.
Ayan, ready na kami, guys.
At saka nag-YouTube na ako. Talagang
YouTube.
mali pa yan, YouTube.
Ayan, buksan na natin.
Ito
Mitch.
hindi ko sinadya. Ito, ganito talaga ako araw-araw.
So, in short, hindi to inedit, okay?
hindi
As
ko
is.
to butnano. Siyempre, may alcohol yan.
Mawawala ba
Mula
naman?
nung nag-pandemic, nung kahit natapos na ang pandemic, ito na,
Yes.
kailangan.
You mean, before pandemic, hindi ka ma-alcohol na tao?
Meron ako lagi na maliit na baon. Pero
Ang
ngayon kasi
sanitizer.
ang dami na po na disease.
Mm.
Kahit hindi COVID, pero maraming disease.
Kaya kailangan mag-alcohol. Next,
Eto.
Antipara. Antipara ba o
Yan.
shades?
Ito po ay pang-reading kasi
Yan.
thunders na.
Ayun. But only reading.
Reading lang.
So, okay ka pa pag di ka nagbabasa.
Nagpa-laser na ako ng
Oo.
distant.
Oo.
Kaso ang mahal. So reading pwede pa.
Ayun. Ang pang-basa-basa factor.
Reading lang. Pero na alam ko ang
Ano ba grado mo, Mitch?
sa reading, ano nga ba yan?
May 200 na ba? Oh, meron
Oo,
nga.
250.
Yun, 250.
250.
I will fix it while you
Yan.
labas it from the
Kasi po,
fayong.
lagi po ako nagbabasa mula nung little girl ako na pag lights off na sasabihin ng magulang mo,
Yeah.
meron akong flashlight.
Mm.
Nagbabasa ako ng libro, Bobsy Twins, yung mga
Wow,
ganon.
yeah. So
I
you're-
love reading.
You're a voracious reader. What are you
I am
reading
ro-
now?
What am I reading now? A
Yes.
historical novel. Kasi nai-interest talaga ako sa nangyayari ay mga klaseng buhay ng mga tao noon.
Correct.
At saka this is political, so enjoy din ako doon.
Oh, mahilig sa mga political, historical.
Historical. Na
Love
may
it.
konting romance, may konting sex,
Hmm?
na maraming patayan. Mahilig din ako doon.
Highly recommended.
Wala na dito. Di ba?
Wala na.
Wala na mga books.
Ano, digital book, no? Di
Hindi
ba?
ko feel.
Mm.
Walang smell.
Yeah, I know. The pages, the feel of the
Oo,
pages.
the feel, yung
Yeah.
ganyan-ganyan.
But you're not reading a digital book. You're reading an actual physical book. Book
Physical
talaga.
book.
Okay.
My house has wall-to-wall books.
Ah.
Yun ang decoration ko kasi it's so colorful.
Yeah,
Oo,
yeah.
yung
Ang ganda
ganyan.
nun. Wall of books.
Wall of books.
Okay, next. Ang ganda. Tingnan nyo, pasilip lang natin. Yan. So, talagang...
Arranged according to physical size
Ayan.
and accommodation.
Okay.
Yan po.
Organized,
wallet. I'm
Yan.
very organized.
Wallet,
Wallet
yes.
po, credit cards,
Yes.
debit card,
Do you
lahat
carry
walang
on cash?
laman.
Do you carry on cash?
I carry cash.
Marami in big
Oo.
bills or yung tama lang, sakto
Yung tama
lang.
lang for the day. Tapos you have to pay some bills like the talipapa next door. You have to buy fruits.
Yes.
Yes, yung mga
So every day
ganon,
you
mga
buy fruits in the talipafa.
Fruits in the talipapa. Beside my condo, there is vegetables and fruits.
Wow.
Yes.
Organic, ano ba? Vegetables and fruits
Hindi.
to?
Kasi napakamahal. Nung pandemic, naubos ang pera ko. Actually, naubos.
Sa kakasuporta ng
ng organic. At saka kasi kailangan po healthy na
Yeah,
tayo. Huwag
yeah.
na po kayo kumain ng preservatives if you can avoid. Oo.
Sana nung magdumating ang panahon na mura na affordable na yung organic, no?
mahal ang
Medyo
mga
mahal na
organic,
eh.
super organic. Kaya nga naubos ang pera ko. Pero okay naman kasi at least healthy po ako sa loob.
Oh, correct.
Sa loob,
Ayan.
ha?
Your
ayan,
wallet. Ito na, wallet. Next, ang wallet.
Cellphone!
Of course, mawawala ba naman ang cellphone? So, what kind of cellphone user are you? Kompleto ka ba sa lahat ng social media? Facebook, Instagram?
Facebook
Ganyan.
lang po at saka Instagram. Yung Instagram sa pilitan pa. Kasi yung Instagram is my public, yung where I post all the shows, yung
Yes,
ganyan.
we all need it.
Yes, pero yung Facebook ko po, very private po yun. Doon po ako nagpo-post ng mga original, mga thoughts ko tungkol sa mga bagay-bagay na nangyayari. Pero ginagawa akong comedy. So, enjoy na enjoy yung mga FB friends ko kasi Linalagyan ko ng punchline kahit.
Yeah.
Ganun ako kahit na malupit, lalagyan ko ng punchline. Tsaka may picture ako ng flowers. Oh, di ba? Hindi nyo akalain, I'm a flower person.
Wait. I want to know more about flowers. Do you have a garden?
My helper has the green thumb. I just look at my photo gallery is all
Oh
flowers.
my gosh, magkakasundo tayo. Kasi kwento ko lang sa'yo
Oh yeah, flowers.
Ayan,
flowers.
naku, ganyan din. Meron ako album, puro roses naman.
Yes.
Kasi kwento ko lang, share ko lang sa'yo, Mitch, dahil during the pandemic, si Julius, every time, Mother's Day, Valentine's, birthday ko, nagbibigay ng bouquet of flowers na
Okay.
nalalanta.
Okay.
So sabi ko, Julius, siguro mas maganda, bigyan mo na lang ako a pot of live roses
Oo.
na pwedeng malanta, pero magbubloom ulit, malanta,
Yes,
pero magbabud
yes.
ulit. So, dumami ng dumami pots of roses, pati friends ko, they caught on it. So, ano mo yun na rin ang regalo nila. Kaya,
Yes.
every time magbubloom, pinipicturean ko rin yung mga roses. That's why relate ako sa flowers.
You know, flowers just make you happy.
Yeah, totoo.
You know, like, when I see flowers, talagang ako'y napapangiti. Kaya pag nag-show ako, for example, a corporate event, tapos
Yeah.
mamimigay sila ng flowers.
Flower.
Ay, meron ulit ako libreng flowers. Mahal-mahal ngayon ng flowers.
Libo. What's your favorite flower?
Everything.
Talaga wala kang particular
Everything.
favorite.
Gusto
Basta
ko yung
flower.
ina-arrange doon sa
Ganyan.
meron ako sa dining room, mga vase. Marami ho akong vase. In British, it's vase.
Yes, correct. Vase, yes, that's true.
In the flower vase, I have a lot of flowers.
So you arrange the flowers yourself?
Yes, actually, my yaye,
Hi, Yay!
yaye already has a sense of my decorative, So, ang ganda niya mag-arrange, in fairness.
So parang Manila House din.
Wala lang.
Nag-viral siya doon sa British.
Ayun na nga. Speaking of the British
Actually,
accent, ay, hindi ako maka-get over doon. As in, to the point, pinakita ko rin kay Julius.
Hindi
Yung
ba
interview
ang
with
weird?
Tito Boy
Kung sino man
Abunda.
po nag-upload nun, marami pong salamat. Naka 1 M views. Shocked ako.
Shook ka ba? Shook na shook ka?
Oo, shocked
Pero ang
ako.
galing mo talaga doon, grabe. You
I do
make...
that all the time in the shows.
Oh.
I spoof languages, dialects, mga ganyan. So, na-shock talaga ako.
But you made the news sound, social. Kahit may tragic
especially
pa.
the British.
Yes.
Because they are the first, the pioneers of good manners and right conduct. Diba?
Galing.
Hello!
Balik tayo sa bag.
Balik sa bag.
Yung bag.
Nakalimutan
Meron pa.
Oo.
Matapos ang cellphone na maraming mga flowers.
Mas flowers.
Yes.
Ito ang aking emergency kit.
Ay, anong laman ng emergency kit? Ay, makeup pala ang
Hindi.
emergency kit.
Wala,
Una.
lipstick lang.
Okay, lipstick.
Breath freshener for beautiful breath. Organic yan. And then there's
Organic. Uy, gusto ko yan. Organic. Okay nga.
organic inhaler because this is for tension.
Very
so it's
tita.
also organic. Oo, di ba? Yung
Very tita. Very tita.
organic lip balm.
Yeah, lahat organic.
Organic lip gloss.
Ayan, dyan ka na bumawi from gulay. Yung makeup, organic. Oo, di ba?
Tapos there's floss. So that you will not have tinga.
Tinga. Love it. Bawal ang
And then,
tinga.
Tinga. No tinga, please.
You have
There's a sign pen because I never put anything in my cell phone because I always forget. So I have to write. And then there's some for my digestion.
Yeah.
And there's some for maintenance just in case.
Ka-maintenance.
For
Ka-maintenance.
emergency, which I never seem to get. Thank you so much.
May I know what kind of maintenance?
Mecardis.
Oh.
Yes.
Para sa heart. ba to?
They say it's for blood pressure, hypertension.
Oh, tama. Tell me,
Yeah.
Sartan.
Yes.
And you don't take it daily, only when needed.
In the morning.
Ayun.
Just once in the morning.
Alright.
That's
So,
it.
ayun,
so I
kasya
don't
na
know
lahat.
what this
I think ito, sa organic lip balm.
Yes, the organic lip
Ayan.
balm.
So, simple ka. You're low maintenance. Wala kang powder. You don't put powder?
No, never. If you're tenders, you must always put lipstick.
Yeah. Why? Is it
Because you're
important?
already very gray. Your hair is gray, your face is gray. You must always put color on your lips.
And your favorite color is pink.
Pink!
Yan. Makabata. Lakas
Oh,
makabata.
I'm a mixture of femininity and macho. I don't know why. You notice my outfit's
Yeah,
very
yeah,
macho.
yeah.
my whole aura is very macho, but I like flowers.
Yeah.
I like pink lipstick.
You have
I have three earrings.
3 earrings. 3 ang butas ng iyong
Yung
tenga.
una, yan yung ginawa sa'yo nung grade 7, di ba? Yung binabaril
ito,
yung tenga mo.
Unang-una yan
Yung pangalawa, bangag kami dalawa ni Peke Galiaga, linagyan niya, uminom kami isang boteng tequila gold,
Okay.
tapos linagyan niya ng yelo, kinuha niya ice pick, ginanon.
Seriously? Itong pangalawa?
Oo, pangalawa.
Oh my gosh! Ang
Pangatlo,
sakit.
nagpunta na ako sa doktor.
Finally. So yan, 3. Very interesting.
Uso yan noon
Ganito rin kaya,
Yung
magdalawa
mga
ka,
maraming
3.
earrings.
Oo, yeah, love
uso
it.
yan.
Ayan. And then, who does your makeup?
Ako
Ikaw
lang.
lang. Oh, you have any secret to maintaining your
Always
skin?
put false lashes kasi that is where your eyes speak. Oo. Kasi kailangan yung mata ang unang nakikita.
Yeah, that's true. Lalo na you're an actress, you're an artist, you
and
need
you're
it
an artist.
to express.
Kasi yung mata namin, itong lahi ko, downwards ang so kailangan igan.
May ganon. Oh, yeah. Yan na yung
Yan.
nakakatakot look. Ganon eh. Wait, di ba tayo
Hindi
tapos?
pa
Meron
ba
pa.
tapos?
Oo, meron pa. May 2 pa ako nakikita.
Kit number 2.
Yan, kit number 2.
Ito
The
na yung for the trot.
Yan. As a singer,
As a singer, and also because Metro Manila is so polluted that sometimes you will go. So this is it.
yeah, to protect your
And
throat.
more digestive and anti-acid.
May GERD ka ba?
Ha?
May GERD ka ba? Or,
Hindi naman GERD, pero sa katandaan siguro nag-ano na
Oo,
ako.
madaling ma-acidic ba?
Oo. At eto, masyashock kayo.
Ano yan?
It's a rosary.
Oh. Ba't ba siya shock?
Hindi nila alam na gano'n sa image ko ba naman, may dalang rosary.
Ako, I wouldn't be surprised. You're the, for me, you're the type who brings a rosary. Yes. And anong history nito, Mitch?
Regalo ito, regalo.
You remember
Ang ganda, no?
Ganda.
No, I
Big
was
parang
in a show na this was her giveaway. I think she was 60 years old. Tapos, ito yung giveaway niya. Maganda yung mga giveaway po na ganyan. Huwag na po kayo mag-giveaway ng kung ano-ano.
Yeah. Totoo yan. Lalo na pagbigay sa'yo, maswerte.
Ito, baby cologne, kung bumabuntot ka na.
Can you share what cologne?
Mi bebe.
Hindi nanuko ng panahon natin.
Medyo
Ano yun,
malakas sa
ninuko?
akin yung ninuko eh.
So, mi bebe.
Mi bebe.
Yan na, alam niyo na.
Magaling yung
You don't wear mga strong scents like parfum,
Alam mo, refreshing ang cologne kasi.
Yeah, that's true.
Diba?
You have to apply
ayan.
lang lagi.
Ayan.
Yes, next.
Tapos ito, tissue.
Mini tissue, you need it.
At
And
ito,
mini wipes.
mini wipes.
Yeah. So,
To
kasi
go
nga,
with
para
the-
magkasya, the mini bag.
To go with the mini-me.
Cute. Okay, let's put it here first, Mitch.
Ganyan.
And then,
sige.
meron pa ako nakita. May nasilip
Eto.
pa ako dyan.
Brass.
Ayan.
Mini
brass. Okay.
Kasi sa akin, pag magulo ang bangs ko, sira ang mood ko.
Pero ang kapal ng buhok mo. Ang ganda.
I thank you, God.
What do you do? Is it a Google?
The Google.
The Google shampoo. What's your secret? Kasi it's
First
so
of
full.
all,
Yeah,
na
tell us.
nagugulat yung mga shows at yung mga taping.
Yeah.
Ayaw ko nagpapa-blower.
Oh.
Yung mga plancha.
Correct.
ginaganon.
Yun ito, pinlansya.
Oo, yung mga pinaplansya, kina-curl, yung ganyan. So, yung stylist ko, sinasabi ko, wash and wear.
I see.
Laging wash and wear. Yan, after shampoo, ganyan
Yan
na
na
yung
yun.
bagsak. Ganyan na yung bagsak. So, thank you to my stylist.
Yeah, but you must have a good hair. The one who
Yes.
cuts your hair. Yeah.
Yes.
Who cuts your hair?
From Piandre,
Oh,
si
yun.
Lina.
Lina. Galing, Lina. Good job.
Good job.
So, hindi nagpapa-hair dry, tama?
Oo,
Or
walang
plansya.
products. Walang products. Walang mga mousse, walang mga spray.
No conditioner also.
Hindi. Pag
Okay.
yung conditioner, but of course, it's organic.
Your shampoo and conditioner are both
Yes.
organic?
Tsaka gabi-gabi yan. I cannot sleep pag hindi naka-shampoo. Kasi pawisin po yung ulo ko.
Yung anit,
Dito, dito nag-uumpisa. Tapos, makiti!
Oo.
So, kailangan bago ako matulog, kahit anong gapang ko after a show, at kung ganyan-ganyan. Fortunate kami na meron kaming heater, so hot shower. Yan.
And then yung bangs mo, kapal.
Yan po
May
ang
secret
minana ko po sa aking mga magulang. Kasi yung nanay ko po, merong Middle Eastern blood. Yan po.
Na nasa lahing makapal ang buhok.
Makapal ang mga buhok, pati ho yung tatay ko na half Spanish, makapal din ang buhok.
Ayun.
Pero ang minana ko ring masama is malaki ang balakang po. Kabuisitan po yun.
Voluptuous ang tawag siya.
Ganun ba?
Voluptuous.
Ay, Diyos ko.
Curvy.
Curvy.
Sa mga panon yan, curvy.
Curvy, tigilan ako.
Ayan,
Eto
meron
po,
pa.
Ito po ang aking appointment book na pinapadala ng Sacred Heart Priests taon-taon. Minsan, bago mag-pandemic, nakita ko lang po dun sa bangko ko na merong parang donation doon sa Priests of the Sacred Heart na kung saan na ang dami-dami nilang tinutulong. So, really search ko kung legit, syempre.
Yeah.
Yung mga
Yes.
ganyan-ganyan. Ibig sabihin, monthly, nagdo-donate po ako doon. Yun ang aking good deed for the day. Kasi malapit ako sa Sacred Heart. Doon ako
Yeah.
nagtatago. Hindi nyo ako kaya pag nakatago na ako sa Sacred Heart.
Tago meanings a place of solace or
A place of
retreat,
solace,
ganyan.
if I feel,
Down,
you know,
yeah.
or may mga taong sinisilaan ka na gusto mong bugbukin. Yung mga
Imbis na mambugbog, tago na lang.
pasok ako sa Sacred Heart. I go to Mass every day.
Where is it? Sa
Ito sa Cagayan or something,
Oo.
sa mga ano. Pero I live beside a church, a Jesuit church, Mary the Queen. So that is the period of my day. If I'm not working, I go to Mass.
every day.
Yun po ang nakasalba sa salbahe kong side na ano. Kaya sa loob mabait ako, sa labas salbahe po ako.
You used to have that salbahe side talaga, ha?
The
In your
salbahe.
younger years.
I was very self-destructive. Yung kumbaga halad, alak, drugs, halita.
Ano yung 70s?
Siyempre.
Diba? 70s, kakapanganak pa lang namin ni Papu.
Siyempre. But I'm so glad I lived through it because it gave me a lot of experience and yun, strength.
Wisdom, di ba?
Wisdom po. Ito po ang calendar kasi hindi ko po mabasa pag nasa phone.
Kaya pala
so
may
maliliit
ballpen.
lang ang box. Oh.
Oo nga.
Oo. Andiyan kayo. Ano ba andito?
Yan,
Ayan.
babaw.
Babaw.
Dyan tayo, Papu.
Oo. Ayan.
galing.
Babaw.
Thank
3 p.m.
you. Wow, love it.
Ayan.
Galing. See, that's why I appreciate bag raids. Kasi it's actually, Mitch, hindi to talaga raid. Kasi sabi nila, hindi ka naman nag-raid kasi hindi ikaw yung mismong nagtatanggal ng bag. Kasi ganun yung ibang bag raider. Sabi ko, hindi. Kasi I have to respect the
Sige,
owner of the di ba?
Oo,
Ikaw yung
gusto mo
maglalaba,
anti-acid?
syempre. Okay lang. Meron din akong thumbs lagi dala. So yun. So yung bag raid ko po iba. Hindi ako yung nagtatanggal ng gamit. Kasi syempre respeto dun sa
Respeto!
may-ari ng gamit. Siya yung naglalatag. Ako, taga-tanong lang, ba't ganyan? Ba't ganyan? So hindi
Oo.
talaga raid. More of bag
Tama
talk
yun.
talaga.
Tama
Diba?
yun. It means
hindi raider.
educated.
Yeah.
Hindi yung educated na nag-aral. Educated po sa mindset.
Thank you. Siyempre, meron last akong tanong.
Ano?
If you were a bag, or if you are a bag, anong classic ang bag at bakit? I always ask that.
Oo nga, no?
Okay, take time to think. Oh.
Kasi hindi ko alam.
Anong classic ang bag?
Ah,
Backpack,
bihira.
overnight?
Bihira kasi ang question na hindi ko maisagot.
Ayan. Party bag, functional
Papasok
bag,
na naman ako sa
evening
Sacred
bag.
Heart.
Evening. Are you this bag or are you
I think of all the bags I've had, I have
Yeah.
one bag for traveling. Siyempre, yung tawag nilang tote bag,
Yeah.
yun yung kasya lahat, ganyan,
Yes,
ganyan.
yes.
Kasi, ang sakit po magbiyahe sa totoo lang, yung galing ka sa trabaho, tapos may layover pa, at kung ano-ano, at kung ganyan-ganyan. So, meron kang tote bag na nandun, minsan yung mga scripts, yung mga kung ano, na mag-aaral ka, nandun yung mga headphones, earphones.
yes.
Pero ako po, sinabi ko nga kay Julius, I have no music and no sound at home. I need silence.
Oh.
Yes.
So, you are that tote bag because everything is in there. Dala mo yung buong bahay.
Yes.
In case magka-earthquake wherever you are, kompleto yun.
Hindi, ito na yun.
Ay, ito na
Ang
yan.
tote bag po pang trabaho. Nandun na yung mga makeup, yung mga ganyan-ganyan.
Yeah.
So, because I love silence, yung sagot ko nga kay Julius, kaya hindi ako nag-asawa.
Oh, yun.
Kasi ayoko na.
You want your peace.
Oo, very zen ako sa
Yeah.
bahay.
Oo.
Aso lang po ang gusto kong kasama.
Oh,
Yeah.
give me a picture of your dog. What's your dog?
American Bully.
Oh. Bully talaga yung, ngayon ko rin narinig yun. American Bulldog.
Hindi, bully.
Iba yung bully.
Lahi ng mga pitbull, pero
Wow.
punggok. Kinatatakutan siya ng buong building. Hindi nila alam duwag yun.
Yung itsura kasi.
Yung gano'n,
Fierce.
yung talagang...
So, nadadaan sa
Nakita mo
itsura.
yung
No?
picture nun, laki ng bebe.
Wow. Thank you, Mitch. I enjoyed talking to you. I always enjoy my bag talk,
It's
guys,
very
and beauty
revealing,
talk.
actually.
Yeah. What's
Instead
inside the
of
bag?
asking questions.
Yeah.
That's
Doon pa
a
lang
good
malalaman mo
idea.
na eh.
Right,
That's why,
right.
since yun yung nagustuhan ng mga viewers
Ito
ko.
po ang
yan na.
conclusion ninyo, I travel light. I
Yun nga.
don't like bringing, all the things. So, some people kasi
Unnecessary.
when they pack,
Yeah.
Diyos ko dahil, kulang na lang yung buong bahay.
Ako, kinati ako dyan.
Diyan
Wait,
ka.
I have to give you something pala, buti na lang. You mentioned my bag.
Okay.
Here is a gift for you.
Okay.
Don't mind now the rest inside. You can do it later.
Ay, how nice.
Oh, let's take a video of you putting back everything.
sige.
Sige, go.
So, I'll put this
Yes.
back. It has to be all balanced.
Correct.
Because it's like that.
Kung
And then
hindi,
there's
di
the
magkakasya.
rosary there.
Yes.
And then there's this thing on the side. And then that's...
Oops, don't forget.
Oh my God! My thunders digestion. Yan.
Ayan.
Especially
Perfect.
when you drink.
Aliw, kasha lahat talaga.
And this one
Oh.
goes next.
Yes.
There. And then the brush goes under pala.
Hindi
ko
ka
nakita.
nagsusukli, brush talaga.
Oh, hindi.
Or
Tsaka
finger.
Ganyan yun eh. Ganyan lang.
Yeah, for the bang. For
Yun
the
lang.
bang.
Yun lang. My day is made already.
Yes.
And then, there is the thunder salamin. And then there is
the alcohol.
the alcohol.
And
then, there is...
I have a question. Paano pag malobat ka, wala kang mga power bank, or cord where you can charge? Hindi ka pwede
there's
malobat.
always in the car.
Ayun, in the car. You drive
No.
yourself.
Because a long time ago in the 70s, I made a choice. Sabi ko, drink or drive? Drink.
Drink. What is your preferred drink or poison?
Everything.
Everything, as in hard,
Yeah, I
wine.
love her. I like wines with meals.
Oh.
Oo. Pero ngayon habang tumatanda, medyo sumasakit na ulo ko sa red wine. Ganun ba yun?
Yeah,
Masakit.
tannins.
Oo.
Ako allergic ako sa tannins.
Oo, gumaganon.
Yeah.
Sa inom,
Ayun.
do it more often.
Ayun. Pero pagdating ko sa bahay, ayoko nang uminom. And then, for I enjoy cocktails.
Yeah.
And I enjoy margarita with no salt. And I enjoy Japanese whiskey.
Oh, the whiskey. Thanks for letting us know.
Oh, Japanese
Yeah,
whiskey.
whiskey.
Ang mahal-mahal kasi. Dati hindi naman ganun kamahal eh.
Ay, mahal ang whiskey.
Oo,
Hindi ako
Japanese
makarelate kasi hindi
whiskey.
nga ako umiinom.
Oo.
Kasi nga allergic ako sa any alcoholic. Lalo na yung red wine, yung tannins.
Oo.
Or sumasakit ulo ko, namumula ako, nagbabulge yung eyes. At saka yung kape ako, kape talaga. Kapeng may
Okay.
Baileys pwede.
Ay, ganda.
Oo, eto
Sarap
sana
ng
magustuhan
Baileys.
mo. Yes, Mitch. It's a
It's a pouch.
pouch, yeah. To,
Oo.
kashabade. Ayan, for your whatever.
And with the
it has
flowers.
flowers, yes, with the flowers.
With the
I didn't know you
roses.
love flowers. And
Oo.
Bible verse.
Ay, how nice.
Rejoice, read it, Mitch. Share natin.
Rejoice in hope. Be patient in
Tribulation.
Be constant in prayer.
Romans 12:12.
Okay.
For you, my souvenir, kasi I love pouches.
Thank you. This
Yeah.
is for the taping bag.
Yes, for the bigger bag.
Yes,
Thank
this
you.
is for the taping bag.
Ayan. And then, Mitch, invite them also to Into the Groove this September
September 13.
in your British accent.
September 13 are the OPM Tanders. We call ourselves the OPM Tanders, and we're having a concert fundraising for all the singers and people in the industry who cannot afford healthcare, medical care, and every other care that they badly need. Lahat po kami talaga kakanta ng lahat ng paborito niyong awitin. Mga dance tunes, lahat ng mga hit songs, ganon. Masaya po. Minsan kasi, yung mga pamilyang nababurden, pag may sakit,
True naman.
diba?
oo.
All the time. Yung
Hindi
mga
na
ganon.
dapat ganun,
Ito
no?
po yung mga hindi na nakakatrabaho, yung mga ganyan. Kasi po, ang bilis-bilis ng turnover sa showbiz. Pag medyo I'm so fortunate, salamat po sa mga nanonood pa sa amin.
He's still working
Still
and actively
and
working.
actively working. Kaya po nag-exercise ako, hindi lang po halata. I'm exercising for strength and
Yeah,
not for
yeah.
pampaliit ng barracks.
Mm.
Ng barracks talaga. It's very big, the barracks.
Again, curvaceous, And
curvy.
voluptuous.
Voluptuous
Yan,
and curvy.
yan.
In
Diba?
other words, majubis.
Curvy pa rin ako. So, are you going to sing
ng
that?
musical, yung
Yeah.
minsan ang minahalay
Yeah,
ako.
yeah. Are you going to sing that?
Upon request.
May I request a line?
Ang lingap mo'y hahanap-hanapin sa entablado minsan ay sa akin. At kung ako ay malimutan kahit sa awit, kuman lamang iyo sanang matandaan. Kasi second voice ako lagi.
Ay, gawin natin yan.
Tuluyang lumisan na minsan ay minahal ay ako. Baka makick out ako dito.
Thank you, Mitch. Thank you. It's a pleasure sharing this afternoon with you, an icon.
Kahit po bumabaha, sumugod po sila.
Yeah.
Oo.
Thank you.
Thank you also for your tintinabulators.
Tintinabulate. I love it. Tin mates. Parang classmates.
Teammates.
Teammates.
Ayun.
Thanks for supporting. Don't forget to comment, like, and share this vlog. Diba? And subscribe. Ding!